My wife keeps asking me, why do you keep bringing this car home? To be honest, it's because I love driving it, but love doesn't want to take that as a reason. So I thought that I would make this video for her and explain to her all the things that I love about this car. You see, when I first got my license back in 1994, the only car I had available to me to drive was Dad's 1970s 323 hatch. It was yellow, had a 1.4 litre engine and a 5-speed gearbox. This was a big deal at the time, as most manual cars then still only had 4 gears. What did I love about that car? To be honest, at that time, not much. Other than it was a car, I could drive it around, and because I just got my license, anything would do. But now, looking back, this car holds nothing but fond memories for me. From my youth, time spent with friends, milestone moments, like attending graduation day at uni, eating ghost pops in the back seat as a youngster, not wanting to share with my brother and sister, but having to. The back seats not having seat belts, how safety features have changed. These are the fond memories that Picanto GT has reignited. Every time that I drive this exquisite little car, I'm taken back to the days that those memories were made. But most of all, how much fun it was to drive a manual car with a small engine in the city. Because the car never really had much power, 33 kilowatts or 44 horses, it meant that I could drive it at its optimum power band without breaking the rules of the road. You see, all these newer modern cars are so much more powerful that you can't really drive them at a point where they feel fun without breaking all sorts of rules.
Well, it brought my youth back to me when I put my foot down. That probably is similar as when you were young you used to do that, but there was a difference here, was something actually happened, which was performance, which was absolutely fantastic. Makes the car fun to drive, enjoyable and fun to drive. The fact is, for me, manual transmission couldn't be better. You can utilise the extra power you've got and enjoy that side of it, what I call the fun side of the car.
So, how can you still have fun driving a car today while being safe and responsible on the road? The answer is simple, the Picanto GT. This little Picanto has got just enough power to be fun, but at the same time be responsible. It means that you can drive the car at its optimum RPM without worrying about breaking any of the rules. And that's what I love about it. When I first started driving, I felt like a superstar when I was parking. At the time, I thought it was because I was so good, 17 and bulletproof. Now I'm a little bit older and hopefully a little bit wiser. I've realized that small hatches are easy to park.
It's very easy to park, no problems with that. Very, very user-friendly in that respect around the city. That's what I do like about it. You can do all of that, which the other cars couldn't.
They have fantastic all-round visibility. And if you glance out of the back window, you can see exactly where you are and where the end of the car ends. All of which becomes easier with the Picanto's reverse cameras, park lines, and rear sensors. How easy is that?
The actual performance was so exceptional for a small car, I fell in love with it straight away.
If this video has jolted some childhood memories of your own and you want to come and see what this little car is all about, please come see us at Stillwell Kia for a test drive.